Hello, welcome back to my channel again. So today I have a new item with me. It's a new helmet, and this is the
Can I be your superhero?
HJC Minion. I've been waiting for this helmet for quite some time, so let's do an unboxing of this box. So let's just have a look around and check out the box. So this is the M size Minion that I'm wearing. So let's go ahead and remove this first layer sliding package material. Then next we'll take out the helmet from the main box. So what do we have here? The receipt, and then we have this user manual for the helmet. Then there is HJC sticker here, and then another owner's manual, and I think that's all. This is actually just a paper cardboard for you to store the user manuals and also the stickers. So I assume that this sticker should be for the helmet on top, and then we will check out the actual unit itself. Let's take it out. So in the box for the Rpha 11 Pro, it's already with the pin lock, so you can actually just install the pin lock after you have purchased your helmet. So that's all in the helmet box itself. So the helmet, the extra smoke visor. So this is the bag for the Minion edition itself. It even has the Minion printings on it. So this is a very distinctive bag that only the purchase of the HJC Rpha 11 Minion will have this bag. So let's go ahead and pop this Minion right out. So there you have it, the Rpha 11 Pro Minion. It comes even with a smoke visor for you to change on. For me, it will look better with the smoke visor. So the original visor is the clear visor. This one you can actually use it for like nighttime riding. So let's have a look at the design of the Rpha 11 Minion. Interesting. Man, this is actually I would say quite limited in Malaysia itself, because not many units are for sale in Malaysia. So I managed to get one for my own self, which is considered lucky. Even the padding itself is slightly different from my Rpha 11 and my Rpha 70. Then you have the double D-ring, the metal strap, which is golden color, and then you have some extra spare parts for your cheek pads. HJC #1 in the world. So let's talk about the Rpha 11. So it has a front vents, then the vent at the forehead, top vents, 2 of it, and then exhaust vents on the back and the sides. So this is actually a race-oriented helmet, which a lot of people will tend to take it down to the track, or even some, weekend rides. Because this has no inner visor, so it will be a little bit lighter than the Rpha 70, which is good for racing. And the padding feels amazing on this Rpha 11 as well. Very spongy. So this is my Rpha 70, which I've been using for more than 4 years. Only the PVC part is getting off, but the padding and everything is still very firm. It's not loose. So I trust this brand because I've been using it for so many years. So I've decided to go for another one, which is the Rpha 11. So now I have the Rpha 70 and the Rpha 11. So let's have a look at how does this Rpha 11 looks like on this book visor. So let's just interchange from this Rpha 70. So to pop up the visor mechanism is actually very easy. You just need to pull the lever and it comes right off. So it's a quick release type of visor, which is very convenient. So next, just align the holes and the clip. Once you hear the click, then it's already on. So now I will teach you how to install the pin lock. Put it on a soft surface. Better to have like a microfiber surface. Then get your Antifog insert. So the next thing is you have to flex your your visor. You have to flex it like this in order to fit the Antifog inside. So to do that, you have to insert one side. Flex it until you are able to slide it in. Okay, once you're done, just slowly lift it up and just ensure that everything is fit tight, sealed on the ends. Just give it a small squish. Then there you have it. Your Antifog has been installed. And next is to remove the protective layer and you're done. Just like that. So it's actually that simple to install the Antifog. So after that, you are good to go. You can use it after that. So after you have done installing the Antifog, it's time to install the visor on the helmet. So you just need to align, and once you hear the click, it's already in. Same goes to the other side. Just align it properly, click click, and you're good to go. It's just as simple as that, and you have your visor with your pin lock ready to use on heavy, foggy, maybe some huge temperature difference environment to use. So yeah, it's pretty simple to install. You can install it yourself, or if you're not sure, you can ask the dealers to do it for you. So if, let's say, you were to have your interest into purchasing any of the HJC helmets, you can go down to the link into Shopee, or even go to your nearest dealer near you for the helmet. Okay, so there you have it. The Minion Rpha 11 with smoke visor. Damn, it really looks so good, man. So that's all for now today. Thank you for tuning in to the unboxing channel of the Rpha 11 Minion. So stay tuned, and remember to put a like, comment, and share this video to your friends. Ciao, thank you very much.